all well and present. Yeah. This is really cool. If you like, I don't know if I'm allowed to put that in. This is a sponsored video. I'm good. That just flew out my hand. This is a night you'll regret in the morning. Interesting. Is the blaming it all on Rona? No, it's alright. No. What it is. There's no way that is going in my mouth. Such as end. That's what I will say. That's my critique. Oh, I'm emotional. Brittany, we love you. Times now. I don't know if you know how. Which I think is sick. The story of my life. I was like. Oh, you can't hear that song yet. I'm going to talk to you guys. Maybe I will. Yeah, I'm going to be fannying around with all that. Excuse me. But the day did me wrong. The song can't go on and on. Oh, I'm really hot. Oh my god, I've literally got goosebumps. No. Bear with me. I'm gonna do that 1 second. And let's do it. Oh, randomly, my Twitter got hacked yesterday. Overreacting? Who's them overreacting? I love them. Oh, it feels really autumnal today. I'm actually really excited. I just farted. Okay. What is that? I look like I feel fabulous now. 7 days, Sunday. 12, 13, 14, 15. No, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. It feels so good to have this fun and be so young and be successful. But you're turning 28. I'm still successful. Okie dokie, artichokey. But just to be safe, like if you are. Oh, what the hell is on my lip? Yeah, boy. Yes, you are, girl. I'm scared. I have actually looked into oh my god. One nightmare. One nightmare! I don't know. I'm feeling good. Or in the, what do you call this? Like in the, yeah, it's a tube. In there. Little Mix's latest, newest, latest. You only got 99 problems, but you won't be one. Like what? You're probably thinking, how tired are you? No, it's not. I don't want a lot for Christmas. For you to call me baby. It felt like it had a bug on it. And for excuse me. I'm just very tired and emotional. Actually saying that we have a little mini heat wave coming. Mini heat wave. Check with, I don't know, doctor or something, I don't know. should do a thumbnail. So weird. Siri, you're so weird. You listen to everything. Hello. The bra type things. Ow. Big boobies. Well, I personally just crack on. I just crack on, hope for the best. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So I was recording last night, so that's why, and it's a big song. You will hear it one day. No. I'm not okay. Why? Anyway. Oh, this is a disaster. Got a headache now. Voice. Quite warm actually. Pandemic. There's been a pandemic. It's alcohol volume 0.5. Bestie, am I gonna get drunk? Huh? Am I gonna get drunk? Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Boobies. Let me do my TikTok, people. Till you buy it and it's sure gonna cost you. Maybe. I don't know what's going on. People, eh? Very big fly. I'm so sorry. Alright. So yeah, make sure that you are following me. Make sure you are following me on that. I get slipped away. Yeah. Coronavirus.